Let's discuss probability in pack of cards. We know playing cards. Total number of cards are 52. Total number of cards are 52. In 52 cards divided into 4 categories. Each category is called suit. Each category is called suit. Here 52 cards are divided into 4 suits. How many suits? 4 suits. So 52 by 4, which is equal to 13. So each suit contains 13 cards. 13, 13, 13. So first suit is called diamond. First suit is called diamond. What is the symbol of diamond? Symbol for the diamond. See, this is the diamond symbol. Next suit is heart. Heart symbol is, this is the heart symbol. Next suit is club. Symbol is, this look like a flower. Next one, spade. This is look like a leaf. See, here playing cards. Pack of cards divided into, total number of cards are 52. These 52 cards are divided into 4 suits. Each suit contains 13 cards. Okay. The 4 suits are diamond, heart, club, spade. Okay. Each suit contains 13 cards. Okay. Here diamond and heart. Diamond and heart are red color. Okay. In 52 cards, 13 cards diamond, 13 cards are heart. Here diamond and heart are red color. It means 13 plus 13. 26 cards are red color. Okay. 52 cards. 26 cards are red color. And next, club and spade. Each 13. Club and spade are black cards. Black. 13 plus 13, 26. In 52 cards, 26 are red cards and 26 are black cards. In 26 red cards, 13 are diamond and 13 are heart. In 26 black cards, 13 are club and 13 are spade. Clear? See, these two are red color. Okay. Diamond. This is the diamond shape. Next, this is the heart shape. Next one, club. Club. The suit is black color. Okay. See, this is a symbol for club. Next one is spade. This is a spade. Okay. Diamond, heart, club, spade. Okay. In each suit, first one is ace. First one is ace. This is the ace card. First one is ace. Next one is 2, 3, 4, like that up to 10. First card is ace. Next one is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. First card is ace. Next one is 2. Next one 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next card is jack. See, jack card. This is a jack card. Here This is the one face. Okay. This is the face card. This is called face card. Next card is Jack. Next one is Queen. See. This is also one face card. Next one is Queen. Next one is King. This is also one face card. King. Okay. See. These three are face cards. Jack, Queen, King. These three are face cards. In 13 cards, first one is Ace. First one is in diamond, Ace. Next one, 2, 3, 4, up to 10. Next one, Jack, Queen, King. So count total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Total 13 cards. Okay. In each suit contains 13 cards. In same way, heart. First card is Ace. Next one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next card is Jack. Next one is Queen. Next one is King. In same way, in club is 2 to 10. Three face cards. They are Jack, Queen, King. Next, spade. In spade, 1 is 2, 3, 4, up to 10. Face cards are 3. Jack, Queen, King. Okay. Here how many face cards? In diamond, 3 face cards. Diamond 3. Heart 3. Club 3. Spade 3. Total 4 threes are 12 face cards. 12 face cards. Okay. In 52 cards, 12 face cards. How many A's? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 A's. How many twos? 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 twos. How many threes? Sorry. How many twos? 4 twos. How many threes? 4 threes. Okay. See. Example 4. Read the question. One card is drawn from a well-shuffled deck of 52 cards. Calculate the probability that the card will be an ace. See, how many ace? In diamond 1, heart 1, club 1 ace, spade 1 ace. Totally in 52 cards, 4 ace. In 52 cards, 4 cards are ace. Okay. What is the probability of ace? Probability of ace. What is the formula for probability of an event? Number of favorable outcomes by total number of possible outcomes. Number of favorable outcomes are 4. Total number of cards are 52. 4 by 52. Probability of ace is 4 by 52. Next one. Not be an ace. We know probability of E plus probability of not E equal to 1. So, probability of ace plus probability of not ace equal to 1. Here we want probability of not be an ace equal to 1 minus probability of ace is 4 by 52, which is equal to 52 minus 4 by 52. which is equal to 48 by 52. Simplify it. Suppose, what is the probability of red color cards in 52 cards? How many red color cards? 26 P of red. Number of favorable outcomes by total number of possible outcomes, 52. Red is 26, total number 52. What is the black? Probability of black? Black cards, total black cards are 26. 26 by 52. Probability of diamond. Diamond, how many cards? 13 cards. 13 by 52. Probability of jack in 52 cards. How many jacks? In diamond 1, heart 1, club 1, spade 1. Totally 4 jacks. So probability of jack equal to 4 by 52. In same way, probability of 2, 4 twos, 4 by 52. So next, probability of club. Club cards are 13, 13 by 52. Probability of heart, 13 by 52. Probability of spade, 13 by 52. So this is the probability involving pack of cards.